In this video, we will explore the SQL unique constraint and how it helps in preventing duplicate values in database tables. Let's get started. A unique constraint ensures that all values in a column are different. It prevents duplicate data entry and can be applied to one or multiple columns. It acts as a database rule or constraint to maintain data integrity. As you can see in the diagram, both employee ID and email are marked as unique, meaning each value in these columns must be unique across the table. Here's how you can create a table with a unique constraint. Use the create table statement followed by the table name. Inside the parentheses, define your columns with their respective data types. To apply a unique constraint, simply add the keyword unique after the column definition. In this example, we're creating an employees table where both the email and username columns must have unique values. To enhance error messages and simplify constraint management, you can assign custom names to unique constraints. Instead of just specifying unique, use the keyword constraint followed by your chosen name, then the keyword unique, and finally the column or columns within parentheses. This approach makes it easier to reference constraints in error messages and simplifies overall constraint management. As shown, constraints named UC_email and UC_phone are defined for the email and phone columns respectively. A multi-column unique constraint enforces uniqueness across a combination of columns. To create one, list all the columns within the parentheses after the unique keyword. Remember, it's the combination of values that must be unique, not the individual values themselves. For example, in the course enrollments table, the combination of student ID, course ID, and semester must be unique. It means a student can enroll in the same course, but not in the same semester. The combination must be unique. You can add a unique constraint to an existing table using the alter table statement. To add a unique constraint to a single column, use alter table, then the table name followed by add unique and the column name. To add a named constraint, include the constraint keyword followed by your chosen name before the unique keyword. For a multi-column constraint, specify all columns within parentheses. You can drop a constraint as well. Use alter table, table name, then drop constraint, and the name of the constraint you wish to remove. Keep in mind that adding a unique constraint will fail if duplicate values already exist in the table. In most SQL databases, a unique constraint allows multiple null values in a column. Since null represents unknown or not applicable, each null is considered distinct. However, there's an exception. In Microsoft SQL Server, only one null value is permitted in a unique column. You can see that in the table. The third column has a unique constraint and contains null values in the last 3 rows. These will be allowed, provided the database server is not Microsoft SQL Server. To prevent null values, add the not null constraint along with unique. Here are some best practices for working with unique constraints. Always use named constraints for better maintainability and clearer error messages. Combine unique with not null to ensure both uniqueness and non-null values. Understand that unique constraints automatically create unique indexes, which improve query performance. Also, be aware of case sensitivity in your database when using unique constraints on text fields. Remember, unique constraints are essential for data integrity and database normalization. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.